All right, Tesla fam. Today we're diving into the Tesla Supercharger Guide, how it works and where to find one. Superchargers are an essential part of the Tesla experience, making road trips and long-distance driving a breeze. Let's get into it. Step 1. What is a Tesla Supercharger? A Tesla Supercharger is a fast charging station designed to quickly recharge your Tesla's battery on the go. Unlike regular home charging or slower public chargers, superchargers deliver a much faster charge, allowing you to add hundreds of miles of range in just a matter of minutes. Step 2. How does Tesla supercharging work? Tesla superchargers use high voltage DC fast charging technology. When you plug your car into a supercharger, the system bypasses the vehicle's onboard AC to DC inverter, sending direct current, DC, straight into the battery, allowing for much faster charging than what you'd get from a standard outlet. Here's the breakdown of what happens. 1. Plug in. Find an available supercharger stall and plug in the charging cable. 2. Charging begins. Your Tesla will start charging almost immediately, and you'll see your charge progress on your Tesla screen or in the app. 3. Charging speed. Superchargers can charge your Tesla at speeds up to 250 kilowatts, depending on the model and the supercharger version. This can give you 170 to 200 miles of range in just 15 minutes. 4. Charging completion. Once you've charged enough, simply unplug the cable and you're ready to go. Step 3. Types of Tesla superchargers. Tesla offers different versions of superchargers, each providing varying charging speeds. V2 superchargers, the older version, with charging speeds of up to 150 kilowatts. V3 superchargers, the latest and fastest version, providing charging speeds up to 250 kilowatt, cutting charge times even further. V3 superchargers are becoming more widespread, and they're the best option for quick stops and getting back on the road fast. Step 4. How much does it cost to use a supercharger? Tesla doesn't charge a flat rate for supercharging. Instead, it depends on the location and local electricity rates. You'll typically be billed per kilowatt hour, or per minute, depending on the region. The average cost per kilowatt hours is around 5 to 35 cents in the US. Prices may vary depending on your Tesla's location and the demand at specific supercharger stations. Some Tesla owners with older cars have free supercharging for life, but newer vehicles generally don't come with this perk. Step 5. How to find a Tesla supercharger. One of the best things about owning a Tesla is that you have access to supercharger stations all over the world. Here's how to find them. 1. In the Tesla app. Open your Tesla app, and under the charging section, you can find supercharger locations along your route. It'll also show you the availability of stalls at each station, so you know whether you'll need to wait. 2. In your Tesla's navigation system. When planning your trip, enter your destination into the navigation system, and Tesla will automatically route you through superchargers to make sure you don't run low on battery. 3. Online supercharger map. You can also visit Tesla's website for an interactive supercharger map that shows all global locations. Step 6. Supercharger etiquette and tips. To ensure a smooth supercharging experience, here are a few tips. Don't stay longer than you need. When your car is charged, unplug and free up the stall for others. Superchargers are shared resources, so don't hog the space. Check stall availability. Always check your Tesla app or car's navigation system to ensure a stall is open before arriving. Use superchargers for long trips. For daily charging, it's better to use home chargers or other slower public chargers. Superchargers are best reserved for when you need to top up quickly on long trips. Conclusion. Tesla superchargers are a game changer for long-distance driving, offering fast, reliable charging at stations all around the world. Whether you're on a road trip or need a quick charge while running errands, superchargers make it easy to keep your Tesla powered up. Be sure to check out the link in the description for more details on supercharging tips, pricing, and the latest supercharger locations.